Discover the best pickleball paddles on the market. From beginners to pros, these paddles offer a combination of power, control, and spin to enhance your game. Whether you're looking for a lightweight option or a paddle with a larger sweet spot, find your perfect match here. If you want more information and updated pricing on the product, please check the description box in the below. So let's get started with the video. Number 1. Niupipo Pickleball Paddles. If you're new to the sport, you'll love the Niupipo Pickleball Paddles. This set actually provides you with a couple of paddles, all for a very modest price point. The paddles themselves are made with lightweight graphite carbon fiber and have cushioned handles that will be comfortable even after many hours of play. An edge guard helps prevent premature wear and tear. Novices will get just the right kind of balance and control to learn the ropes of this great sport. Pros. Full pickleball set. Cushioned, sweat-resistant grip. Made for balance and control. Cons. No color options available. Number 2. Onix Graphite Z5 Pickleball Paddle. The Onix Graphite Z5 Pickleball Paddle is a wide-bodied paddle that combines a generous sweet spot with great ball control. You won't get the same reach that you might from a blade-style paddle, but you will have an easy time making quick ground strokes in the kitchen. This classic shape is versatile and simple to use, so you can focus on your game instead of your gear. The paddle has a Nomex honeycomb core, which generates a lot of power and stability without adding too much weight. As far as weight goes, this paddle is right in the middle of the pack, which means it will work well for the average player. All in all, the Onix Z5 is slightly better for the power hitter than the control player, but it is still a well-rounded paddle on the whole. If you want to be able to hit your sweet spot shots as consistently as possible without sacrificing that oomph, definitely consider this choice. Pros. Large sweet spot. Generates lots of power. Good ball control. Cons. Not low noise friendly. Number 3. Selkirk Amped Invikta Pickleball Paddle. The Selkirk Amped Invikta is a popular paddle of choice among pros because of its thick paddle core and its long handle, both of which help you control the full court. Pickleball pros like Steve Deacon and Tyson McGuffin prefer this shape for the reach and power it offers, and you may as well. The blade-like shape of the Invikta has a nice, large sweet spot and plenty of reach for overhead smashes and forehand drives. And the longer handle allows you to whip this paddle for some real power, which is backed by the thick polypropylene X5 core. The Invikta sports a Fiberflex fiberglass facing, which is durable and offers great ball control. But while you can get plenty of spin out of fiberglass, you won't quite get that explosive pop that you would from a graphite face. This can take some adjustment if you are used to a graphite face. That said, the amount of both control and power that you get from the Selkirk Amped Invikta can almost feel like cheating once you get used to it. It is one of the best pickleball paddles out there for pros and amateurs alike. Pros. Long handle improves reach. Large sweet spot. Good ball control. Cons. Soft face means less pop. Number 4. OLANNY Graphite Pickleball Paddles. If you're ready to invest in a complete pickleball set, the OLANNY Graphite Pickleball Paddles are a great option. For a not unreasonable price point, you'll get 4 graphite paddles, 6 indoor balls, and a set of replacement grips, plus a carrying bag. The paddles themselves are made of robust graphite, and made with a great balance of power and control. Pros. Great value. Sturdy graphite paddles. Balance of power and control. Cons. Balls are for indoor use only. Number 5. Franklin Sports Pro Pickleball Paddle. Ready for the big leagues? The Franklin Sports Pro Pickleball Paddle is a professional-level paddle that will help you take your game to the next level. Embedded carbon fiber is designed to promote spin and speed, all while allowing you to maintain balance and control. The core is dense and strong, without any dead spots, and the grip is nice and thick. This paddle is approved by the USAPA for both competitive and tournament-level play. Pros. Carbon fiber technology promotes spin and speed. Dense, strong core. Several fun colors to choose from. Cons. Higher price point.